What's up, all? It's Sister Shay Sayss, and welcome back. Now, most of us have been at home for a year now. Oh my gosh, that's so long. And most of us are fully remote now, so we're doing everything at home, from work to school to events. We're always on our phones and laptops. Some people are even getting something called text neck syndrome. So up next, we have a chiropractor with us who's going to show us how to fix our posture and avoid the hunch. Welcome, Dr. Nona Djavid. How are you, Nona?
Hi, I'm great. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. So this text neck that you brought up is actually has been around for a few years now. However, during the pandemic, as you can imagine, like you said, a whole year of not only sitting at our desks at home, but our desks are also not set up for us to be ergonomically correct and for us to have good posture at the desk. So this has really become a pandemic. More specifically, the forward head posture has become the thing that, from chronic poor posture at our desks, we're continuously having to, our neck is coming forward and our posture is becoming more poor. And it is time to start to practice some posture and spine hygiene, really.
Definitely. So how can we adjust our posture to avoid text neck?
Okay, that's such a great question. First thing I want to say is that I have this 20-20-20 rule, which basically means that every 20 minutes, if you can, while you're sitting at your desk, so every 20 minutes, you either look away or simply do a stretch for 20 seconds. And a good stretch to do, which is really simple, most people already know this, but I'm happy to show that as well. And it's really simple. You just grab the side of your neck and you pull to the other side. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And you can hold that for a few seconds. And if you want to add a little bit of a stretch into it, you can grab your other hand and you can kind of stick it behind you, and you feel a little bit more of a stretch there.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I do.
Right? And then you can
Definitely.
do the same thing on the opposite side, and you're going to notice that you actually have different flexibility on either sides of your neck as well.
Nice. So I know that a lot of people are getting back pain from working all day in bed or even on the couch, and you just showed us that stretch. Is there any more stretches that we can do to help us out?
Yeah, and an easy one for the lower back to do would be to simply just lay on your lower back and bend your knees and bring the knees into the chest and just kind of hold that stretch for a little while. And you brought up such a good point. It's so important to do these stretches, whether it's the neck or the lower back, and also just to take a break from sitting at the desk and taking a look and making sure that your desk is properly set up, because what most people don't realize is that your posture is the window to your spine. So poor posture basically means that your spine might not be in alignment. And if your spine is not in alignment, it can actually start to influence your overall health, because imagine inside of your spine, there's actually your nerves that come out and they go into all the different muscles that we have or the organs that we have in the body. So chronic posture can actually start to influence our overall health as well.
Got you. And how can we change the way we work from home to avoid more back pain and text neck?
I think one of the things to start with is take a look and make sure that you have proper posture at your desk. So if I were to check my own posture, if I have somebody take a look at my posture from the side, I'll have to make sure my ear and my shoulder and the side of my hip are just kind of lined up in a straight line. So you're not slouching forward like this, or you're not slouching on your desk. And any posture, actually, Shay, that you hold for 20 minutes or longer, it starts to become your posture. So if you're sitting at your desk in this poor posture for more than 20 minutes, then it's going to start to become yours. That's why the 20-20-20 rule is so important.
Definitely. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Djavid. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yes, and thank you all for watching Bold TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Have a great day.